15 years ago, preparing for retirement, from the music products industry, I took on the hobby of playing the piano in the street. At the same time, I was visiting Craigslist on a daily basis to rescue pianos from being dumped in the landfill. I would pick them up, deliver them to local Petaluma artists for painting, and then place them on the sidewalks of downtown Petaluma for pedestrians to enjoy. Of course, most of these instruments were not the highest quality brands, but in this case, it really didn't matter. However, every once in a while, I was able to rescue the best of the best brands. I'm talking about Baldwin, Yamaha, even Steinway. And those incredibly high quality instruments were not painted, but instead, I covered them with blankets and securely tucked them away in a warehouse, waiting for this very moment when I'm able to bring these professional quality instruments back out into the light and sell them to those who know the difference. These pianos are not for everyone. However, based on the average Craigslist pricing comparisons that you will see scrolling by on this screen, you will see that the asking price is still below the average. With the big difference here being my showing you every square inch, the good right along with the bad. So there's no doubt whatsoever that you know what you're getting. So, you want to know more? Come with me. A May 23 Google search revealed that brand new today's Yamaha U1 professional studio upright piano with a black finish retails for $11,999 MSRP and $14,000 in natural wood. Used, the average selling price of any Yamaha U1 is around $4,000. Right up front, the foot of this piano, right down next to the floor, has veneer chips. There's a teeny-tiny repair job on one of the keys, and take a good look at the crease on the top of this piano. Because a speaker fell up against this right here, the asking price is only $2,100, easily half the average of any other used Model U1 out there, and only 15% of the current MSRP. This unfortunate outside cabinet blemish is actually a very good thing for the musician who knows and loves the U1 as much as I do. Not because of how it looks on the outside, but instead simply because of the unparalleled quality found on the inside, and here's what I mean by that. Because I am renovating my workshop, my pals at the Petaluma Grocery Outlet allowed me to park this beauty right here for a couple of days, where I play every Wednesday morning on a really nice Pramberger piano, the high-end professional quality instrument made by Young Chang. While shooting this video, I was still reminded how much I love the simple, sophisticated mid-century modern design lines on this Yamaha U1 cabinet and the otherwise beyond beautiful, freshly reconditioned natural wood. Of course, it's what's in the inside that matters most. So the first thing I do is open the lower front panel and I search inside for an inordinate amount of dust or grime and any signs of moisture. I also look for any critter droppings, which can be more common than you think. The reason is because mice like to chew on just about everything, including the felt washers that help reinforce and silence the up and down metal-to-metal motion of the foot pedals. The inside of this piano is dry and clean as a whistle, and these felt washers are as round and pristine as the day they were installed. The second thing I do is open the top and look inside. First at the tuning pins to see if there are any strings that have been replaced or if there are any clues where the laminated pin block could be letting go. I discovered everything just fine here, right along with every hinge pin 100% straight and true, with absolutely no metal to wood wear, string dampers that are also in perfect working condition, and a slow and close scan of the hammers reveal virtually no evidence of the frets ever touching the strings, which is just crazy. And all of the springs are perfectly positioned, and the individual key bounce back demonstration here shows the response is still as good as it gets. Also, having spent 40 years in the music products industry, I learned about how 1 in 100 acoustic guitars will stay in tune longer than the others and have a superior sound projection that stands out from the others because of a lucky, random combination of metal parts with the perfect wood grain selections. Because they are also made of metal and wood, acoustic pianos are exactly the same, and this one is 1 in 100 for sure. To actually demonstrate that for you, I wanted to see an interaction I had with a grocery outlet customer when he and his shy partner allowed me to video record a random comparison between this very Yamaha U1 that has not been tuned for over 7 years and the high-end professional quality Pramberger piano that had just been professionally tuned the day before. And so it is now the shootout at the OK Corral. This gentleman is trying the Yamaha first. He's going to tell me which one he likes the best. Now play the same thing on the other piano there, sir, and you be the judge.
Do you work for one of these companies?
No.
Okay. Definitely not this one. It's out of key.
And the winner is?
Definitely.
And why is that?
This one's out of key.
Aha! And it's just been tuned.
Is it really?
Yes.
Wow.
I can't tell you how many times I have decided to keep this piano for myself, and the struggle continues because every aspect of this instrument, from style to construction to sound performance, it's simply one of the best examples of a mid-century U1 Yamaha I have ever seen.